A media report quoting sources says that Indian soldiers appear to have fought a fierce battle with the Chinese on the night of 15 to 16th June, as indicated by multiple stab wounds inflicted with sharp-edged weapons and multiple limb fractures. A doctor at Leh's Sonam Nurbu Memorial Hospital, who had seen the bodies, also told the Indian Express that from the conversation with the wounded soldiers who were brought to the hospital, it appeared that the Indian soldiers went at the Chinese with everything they had after their commanding officer, Colonel Santosh Babu, was attacked. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh wrote in a statement on the India-China border clash that this is a moment where we must stand together as a nation and be united in our response to this brazen threat. We remind the government that disinformation is no substitute for diplomacy or decisive leadership. Singh further called upon the Prime Minister and the government to ensure justice for Colonel B. Santosh Babu and our Jawans who have made the ultimate sacrifice. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh left for a 3-day visit to Russia today, where he will attend the Victory Day parade. He will meet his Russian counterpart Sergei Shoigu, and the spike in border tensions with China is set to figure in the discussions. A day before his departure, Singh met Chief of Defence Staff and the 3 service chiefs, asking them to keep a strict vigil along the line of actual control, where a week ago 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a border skirmish with Chinese soldiers. 57 minor girls have been tested positive for the novel coronavirus at a state-run children's shelter home in Kanpur district of Uttar Pradesh, with 5 of them found to be pregnant and 1 HIV positive. Officials claim the pregnancies began before the lockdown. The shelter home has been sealed and its staff quarantined. Amid a rising number of coronavirus cases, the centre has asked the Delhi government to delineate all containment zones afresh, enumerate all households even outside containment zones, conduct a serological survey among 20,000 Delhiites and associate every district with a big hospital. Home Minister Amit Shah also instructed the Delhi government to send a detailed report to the centre on every COVID death in the city. The Supreme Court will hear the 4 petitions seeking modification of its earlier order of June 18th, which had stayed the historic annual Rath Yatra in Puri and all other places in Odisha due to the COVID-19 pandemic. A plea filed by the Jagannath Sanskriti Jan Jagran Manch said the Rath Yatra can be performed with the help of about 500 servitors by maintaining social distance on the road of 3 km stretch and by imposing the restrictions as well as imposing Section 144 of the CRPC.